Oh my goodness. Hey guys, I give you a quick tour in our hotel. So we're staying here in Acacia Hotel. This is one of the newest hotel here in Davao. So this is their shower. Guys, here you go. Here's the bed.
Super
And we got a bathrobe,
safe for all our life.
sleepers, safety box, iron. You got extra pillows. And this is their mini bar. So this is the only complimentary, the small one. And they have a mass. And look at the view. And here's SM, just walking distance SM. There's a lot of condominium there. Pretty nice too. And if it's soft.
It's not real soft.
The next day.
Hey guys, so we're going to have a breakfast. Waling Waling Cafe. How many pieces you want?
That's good. And then
Breakfast time. How's your breakfast in Acacia Hotel? Oh my goodness. Nah, for me not really good.
not yeah.
I guess I'm better.
I'm always disappointed with the beef tapa. You wouldn't imagine that Philippine Airlines, we're looking for sponsors, would be better than a regular restaurant, but Philippine Airlines got the best tapa.
Yeah.
Really good.
So this is our first day. Tomorrow is our second day, so we're going to check out. So this is the restaurant here. Here too.
Yeah, if you come, just make sure that you can go order your fresh cooked eggs, I guess pancakes, over there to the right.
Maybe tomorrow we can order. Yeah, it's too late because I got already my
I
eggs.
seen it, but I didn't see anybody in there.
So that's go straight ahead. That's their lobby.
Huge.
Huge lobby, and they got a nice stairs. So we're going back to the room and take some pictures in the lobby. So see you a little bit, guys. Cool, finish breakfast. Yep, this is our hotel. We're way up there in the 9th floor. So this is their swimming pool, but it's under maintenance right now. So not allowed to go swim.
Yeah, it looks murky.
Yeah. Hi guys, so this is our first day here in the hotel. So we just done our breakfast. So just look around, explore the hotel here in Acacia. So we're heading back inside. It's so hot. It's hot. So this is one of the restaurants here in the 3rd level, which is Lukfu Palace. You can take picture here, huh?
24 hours later.
923. Good morning. A lot of people.
No, I said there's a lot of people today. Yeah, morning.
Sarap ba na? A lot of plates. Look at how empty, how many plates you have. And you're still eating. Oh, you're done. I see it. Why don't you eat your last piece of corned beef?
I'm full.
Oh, you're full. You still have bacon. Nope.
What's your bacon?
Okay. 9. We're on 9th floor. Excuse me. Wow, look at here. View of Davao. Davao City. Where are you?
Come on. I don't see the city.
No, too far. Downtown.
Yeah.
Morning. Now, what's happening in the Texas?
My son's not the one that messaged me and complained.
What's in here? Oh, the box. Ako good mag-open sa akong gipak.
Hey, you got the packet. Now you get unpack.
Aubrey Hudson.
Ay, ko si Aubrey, ma'am?
They're here. Hey guys! Oh my god! I just arrived my
Oh, here.
box.
This for you. You put it right here and toss the bean bag.
Wala lang ka. Hihi.
Bean bag toss.
Ako'y ang cellphone. Sakto naman na? Dadaghan tayo na. A lot that one. Nara. Saan isod ano na ako? Oh, shades.
Another. Oh, more glasses.
More glasses.
Oh, a lot more
Oh
seasoning.
my god, lemon pepper. Holy moly, baby.
We like this stuff.
Yeah.
Lemon pepper.
No change.